I'm so excited. I just received my Shark FlexStyle and I'm gonna do an unboxing, show you everything that you get with this amazing multi-styler. So it comes in this really neat box with the flip open top. And the first thing you see is the welcome with the QR code and some very clear instructions on what you have in the box. And then you have a nozzle instruction, all the buttons and what they mean and where you need to press to get it going, and a style guide, some safety information. And in this style guide, there is real specific instructions on all of the buttons, goes over all the tools, and I'm going to show you these right now. And then it tells you what to do with each tool and how you can begin styling. Fast, smooth, dry, volume, everything that you could need in a styler, it has. So this is the amazing wand. This flexible wand is the base of the tool. This model is the stone color. It has this diffuser, which I love. This diffuser has a twist right here that you can do longer hair and shorter hair. That's so unique, and I don't know of any other styler that has the diffuser that can do that. This is your oval brush. This is your airbrush styler. This is your airbrush styler with your different types of brushes that will help you give volume and to dry your hair. This is the concentrated, focused addition to the hair dryer, and you have these two wands. Use the Kawanda effect to make your hair dry and curl at the same time. There's a right one and a left one. One of the unique features about the Shark FlexStyle is it has additional pieces that you can add to it as you want to increase your selection. And it also is a #1 seller with a very good value. Flexible nozzle lets it go from wand to dryer in just a few seconds. That's it. That's the dryer, and you fold it down. You can concentrate it, use it like a stick dryer. Take these pieces off, put your wands on, very easy, and detach right there. It has heat control and strength control, the amount of air that goes through. Very easy to turn on and off, and there's a cool shot button.